So welcome back to my channel Midnight SEO, and we are starting a series called Zero to Hero SEO, and today we will talk about what is SEO. So let's get in. So you might have heard the term of SEO everywhere where there is a digital marketing company. So this term is divided into two words, which is search engine and optimization. So what do we call search engine? Search engine is like wherever you shoot your query. For example, you wanted to buy a shoes, like a pair of shoes. You will go to the Chrome and you will search it on Google or maybe Bing web browser. So these all are search engine. And what is optimization? So there's a misconception that people think that in SEO we optimize the search engine, which is a myth and which is not possible. So what happens? You optimize your own website to get rank in search engine, to fulfill the requirements of search engine. And that's if you fulfill the requirement of search engine, your website get rank ultimately and you get a lot of visits. So this is called search engine optimization, SEO. So what comes under SEO? Like how do we do activities and everything, all the stuff. So there are three main pillars of SEOs that we use. First is on page, off page, and so that was it about SEO in 5 minutes. If you have come up this far, I think you really understand my content and I really appreciate that. And thank you for watching the video, and I hope you really liked it and you understand it. So let me introduce a bit about me. I'm having 7 years of experience into SEO. I work part-time. I worked at an office right now. I have like 9 to 7 job. So like I have a lot of knowledge and I want to share with you guys so that you can learn something new from my experience. And so please subscribe to my channel called Midnight SEO, and if you have any query you can just DM me or just email me, or you can just add a comment and I'll be there to answer your calls. So have a nice day.